Mr. Chairman, sir, for allowing me to participate in the 2026 budget discussion. Under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and Council of Ministers, our state is significantly transforming and is on the right way, and hope will achieve our goal of 10 billion USD economy by the year 2028. Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the government for being the part and parcel of the government and being the witness to bring the tremendous transformation and development to our state over the past 7 years of governance and service to our people. In our democratic system of government, people, our citizens, elect us not to rule over them, but to serve our people with sincerity and dedication, and our government is committed to serve and not to be served. Our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, is one of the examples who is down to earth and humble with everybody, and every citizen, and understand the needs and aspirations of our citizens, and dedicated himself to uplift our society and economy of the state and its people. Mr. Chairman, sir, in this budget discussion, I would like to bring kind attention to the House through you, Mr. Chairman, sir, that there are some necessity of certain project and allocation of fund to meet the demand of the people of my constituency and to develop the constituency and a region in general, which I would like to brief this August House. Mr. Chairman, sir, these are: number one, creation of trauma center at Bajengdoba, CHC. Being on the national highway connecting Garo Hills and other part of the state, and economic lifeline to Garo Hills, the highway is very busy and often witnesses major accidents and fatalities in this route, which may have been avoided to some extent if we have proper health care and response to such incident. Therefore, I would like to urge upon the government to sanction a trauma center at Bajengdoba, CHC, at the earliest to meet the medical emergency 24/7 and save lives of the people. Number two, Mr. Chairman, sir, setting up a government secondary school at Gabul. Every children and every student have a right to free and compulsory education. Yet, the students of Gabul area denied of opportunity, and they are struggling to get the right to education by traveling a distance of 10 kilometers from their village to Tolongri. which is nearest secondary school available for them. Therefore, I would like to urge upon the government to allocate the fund and establish a government secondary school at Kabul to educate and eradicate illiteracy. Number 3, sir, construction of Aruak Health Sub-Center. I would like to urge upon the government and inform the House that the construction of the Aruak Health Sub-Center need of the hour as it is functioning in a dilapidated state with unrepairable and unserviceable structure. Therefore, I would like to request to grant a sanction a fund for construction of a new building for the same. Number 4, Mr. Chairman, sir, sports. Creation of sports infrastructure. Our state is going to host the national games in the year 2027 and invested huge amount of fund for creation of sports infrastructure and sports facilities in the state. And the government is aiming to create a champion in national and international level in every sporting activity. And yet our youth in the rural area lack of opportunity and sporting facilities to nurture and develop their skills. Therefore, I urge upon the government to allocate a fund for the construction of football stadium at Maudam with the artificial turf so that the young athletes can participate all around the year, not just seasonally, but professionally to develop and nurture their skill. Last point, sir. I would like to retaliate my earlier demand for a better growth and development of my constituency, and confident that the government will look into it to fulfill the very desire and aspiration of the people of my constituency. Number 1, sir, establishment of degree college at Bajengdoba. Number 2, sir, establishment of fire and emergency service station at Bajengdoba. Creation of police outposts at Chochongri and Gabel. Construction of new agriculture office building at Bajengdoba. Construction of Dungok Bridge over the Dam River. Number 6, upgradation of Rari PHC from 6-bedded to 10-bedded. Number 7, creation of new PHC at Digisengri. Mr. Chairman, sir, once again, thank you for allowing me to participate in the budget discussion and place upon the House a few of the demands and aspirations of the people of my constituency. With this few words, I resume my seat. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.